down here, Merc.
Halt! Who goes there?
You're up.
You're coming with us. Nice and easy.
Don't think so. Not bad.
Who in the hell? Hands where I can see them.
Have fun.
Freeze! Move and we shoot!
Go ahead. Enough of this.
Where the hell did he get fired?
Was never in doubt.
Drop the weapon!
You got this.
Yeah, what'd he say? You're coming with us!
Can't get surrounded. See ya. Try this. Nothing to it.
So what's Soldier Boy's deal? Is he one of us now? He's got balls, this, what was his name again?
Cloud Strife.
Right.
And he isn't a soldier anymore. Still, he's a professional, unlike the rest of us. I'm glad to have him.
This is a one-time gig. When it's done, we're done.
Real joy to work with, though.
Real joy to look at, too.
Here we go.
Looks are what people notice first.
Guess I'm not on the same page as people.
I'd say you're not even reading the same book.
Enough. We're done here.
Or even the same...
Give it a rest.
Come on, nobody do something this crazy just for money. They may not think you're a true believer, but you know what I think?
Not interested.
What?
Wedge. You better be worth the money, Merc. Every last gill.
Get him, boy!
Guess you're first. That's that. So long. Not bad. See ya. Try this. Enough. That it?
Hey, Cloud! Elevator's over there!
This way. Huh, not so fast. We've got company.
Job's a job. It's over. Not bad.
Get him!
Damn it. That's that. That it?
Pick up the pace! Soldiers may attack on command, but I hear they make good guard dogs too. Bet you've seen a few reactors. So how do we get to the bridge above Mako storage? Ain't holding out on me, are you? Stamp scared to bite the hand that fed him? Or is he a loyal little doggy? Have it your way, Mutt. We can do this with you, or we can do this without you.
Different reactor, different layout. Depends when it was built. Never seen one like this, but I'll manage.
Don't you worry. Biggs will have the door open soon.
In 3, 2... Damn, I'm good.
Who's there? Door! We'll wait! It's over!
That's my line.
He's alone! We can take him!
It's over.
Make it rain!
This won't take long. See ya.
We're back.
Good luck.
Good thing I know someone who can get us the passcodes. Pity no one else at command will talk to us, but what can you do? And we're good.
Careful in there. I got this place covered.
So, you know Tifa, right? It's not really my business, but are you guys close?
Cloud! Are you ignoring me?
Tifa and I...
These sewer rats appear to call themselves Avalanche, sir. We are currently investigating whether they belong to the same group that made the attempt on your life. Rest assured, our inquiries will not take much longer. This pump's sole purpose is to drain the planet dry. While you sleep, while you eat, while you shit, it's here sucking up Mako. It doesn't rest, and it doesn't care! You do realize what Mako is, don't you? Mako is the lifeblood of our world. The planet bleeds green like you and me bleed red. The hell you think's gonna happen when it's all gone, huh? Answer me! You gonna stand there and pretend you can't hear the planet crying out in pain? I know you can!
You really hear that?
Damn straight I do!
Get help.
Say that again!
I'd worry less about the planet and more about the next 5 seconds. Save the screaming for later.
Our lives are on the line now. You listening, Merc? One false move, and that happens.
Well, so much for having Cloud do all the fighting. There are some places a sword just can't reach. Just bear with him for me, would you?
Yeah.
Should have asked for more money.
Gonna throw your sword at him? Let the man with the gun go to work. These tin cans ain't got nothing on me. Now for the real show. Get your ass out of here!
That
your job, Murph.
Shut up and move over. That'll do. All done.
Huh. Cocky little bastard, ain't you?
Look what we have here.
A laser security system. Great.
Those things will hurt more than your pride if you're careless. They'll cut you down to size and then some. But I'm guessing you've done this kind of thing before.
Yeah. Figure out the timing of the lasers. Then, make a move when they cycle off.
Exactly. I'll go first. Nothing like a little danger to get the blood pumping.
Hey!
Just keep those baby blues of yours on me.
I'm glad that's over with. And we're almost at our objective.
Look. They don't call those things sweepers for nothing. They can wipe out a whole squad in seconds.
Not if you wipe the floor with them first.
Ha! We can take this hunk of junk!
That hunk of junk is a heavy weapons platform. If we rush in, we die.
Is that right?
We need to hit it with magic. That should give us an opening.
Hey! It's not moving!
Let's pin it down. Give it all you've got. Now's our chance. Go!
Don't need to tell me twice. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Brace yourself. Try this.
Of course. It just had to get back up. What are you? 20-something?
First. Huh? Soldier first class. Doesn't go into the 20s.
The hell you talking about? I mean your age, not your goddamn rank. Though for all I know, a soldier's rank could be the same as his age. Mm-hmm. Guess that makes you a 1-year-old, huh? Live and learn.
That's our target, the reactor core. Gotta set the bomb at the bottom. Let's get down there.
God damn. I can practically taste tobacco in here. Hurry it up. dreaming about this for years.
Heads up, boys. Doors in sight. I leave the rest in your capable hands. Good luck. Not that way. Down the ladder, dummy.
Not worth my time. It's over. That's that.
Yeah, I'll do it. Suck on this. How'd you like that? You think if we fell in, we'd sink right down to the bottom? The Suck on this.
See ya.
Ain't no thing.
Was never in doubt.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, let's see if Little Stamp really can bite the hand that feeds. Go on, do the honors. Prove to me you're the man Tifa says you are. That you're one of us.
Never said I was. I'm just here for the paycheck.
Then do the damn job! What's wrong?
I'm fine. What about the timer?
Your call, Merc. Pretty cocky, ain't you? You double-crossing!
Heads up!
What in the hell? Hey, how the hell do we fight this thing?
It's got reinforced armor plated, but the internals can be overloaded. Lightning magic.
Huh. No other option, huh? We barely scratched the damn thing.
Didn't I tell you to use magic?
Thought you were full of shit.
Think whatever you want. Just do it. Okay. That'll do. Sorry. Don't overdo it.
Yes, it's my turn. The hell is that?
A barrier? defense system before.
Thought you were the expert.
So what's your brilliant plan, genius? Bingo! Focus on that core!
Oh, now he remembers. Don't keep me waiting in suspense next time.
Still in it. Get ready. Focus and find a way. It's on you.
It's my time to shine.
Or go down in flames.
Bring it home.
Let's do this. Here it comes. Damn it. Need to heal up soon. Take it from here.
All right. Watch and learn. Damn it! This thing is tough!
It wouldn't be much of a weapon if it went down easy.
Don't compliment the giant scorpion!
Now, hit it hard and fast.
Oh, you're in for it now!
Just shoot! Don't overdo it.
Yeah, I'll do it! That's all! Damn pain in the ass! Here it comes! Give them hell!
All the time. Gotta heal up when I have the chance. No more playing nice. Another barrier? Won't last long. Gotta heal up. Here we go. Take the lead.
Guess it's my turn! Something now! You ain't stopping us! That thunder I hear? Time to fry! Don't look now! This is about to get real!
Need to do something about these wounds. Watch the tail! You don't want to be hit by that laser.
Huh? So, what do we do?
Don't get hit! Take cover behind that debris. Strike now, before it fires again.
Come on! Gonna make your eyeballs pop! Time to fry! Sure could use a break!
ready.
Bring it on!
Keep it together.
Yeah, I'll do it!
Now, go!
All good. Hit fire! This is gonna sting! Could keep going if I heal up. Ain't done yet. Bring it home!
Hang back.
Hey, it's doing that thing again!
Find cover and hunker down.
Again and again and again! Now, get in there and do some damage! Oh, hell! What's it doing now?
An auto repair unit. Damn it. We gotta take it out quick or we're screwed.
Oh, I am way ahead of you, Murphy.
Right. Gotta time our attacks just right. Hold out until you spot an opening. Here we go. It's on you.
Guess it's my turn. Gonna make your eyeballs pop. When I get my chance, I'm gonna blow this bastard the hell up. And that's a promise.
My turn. It's down. Rain hell on it.
Ain't gotta tell me twice.
No escape. All right. So long. Gotta heal up.
Shit, the bomb!
20 minutes until detonation.
You hear that? Damn thing showed you how it's done.
Come on, we've gotta move.
Where should be covering our way out? Go, go, go!
Concentrate. Enough. Sorry. That it? You okay?
Do I look okay? Help a girl out, would you? My hero!
Hey! We'll link up over there! Look after Jesse!
Come this way! This route should lead us straight to Barrett. Probably. I think I see an exit. Come on!
shut up and climb. You're not helping.
Sorry, it keeps me focused. I'll freak out if I don't talk.
Have it your way.
I've got you covered! Find us the way out of here!
But then...
Don't worry, I'll be fine. I've got Soldier Boy with me.
X, Soldier Boy.
They're here! Take them down!
We don't have time for this shit! Clock ticking!
Cool it. 5 seconds is all we need. It's over. Keep it together.
About damn time! How'd you like that? Let's go! The others are waiting. Gotta get the hell out of here ASAP.
Don't overdo it.
All right! Watch it learn! This is gonna sting!
Hang back. Still in it. Keep it together.
About damn time! Stay down, asshole!
Taking over. So long. You're mine. Nothing to it. That's that. Enough.
Now that was something else.
That was nothing. Try this.
Need my help, do you?
My turn.
Ain't got nothing on me. You going down, one way or another.
Deal with that.
Guess it's my turn.
I got this. No holding back.
Rest in pieces!
Don't overdo it.
About damn time! How'd you like that? This is gonna sting! I could have done that on my own.
Sure you could. Can you walk?
If I couldn't, believe me, you'd be the first to know.
I'll take that as a yes.
Okay, that was pretty cool. All right, come on.